Welcome to the Rome Tech channel. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. Today, we're diving into NordPass, a password manager brought to you by the cybersecurity experts behind NordVPN. Navigating to their website at nordpass.com, you'll immediately notice the sleek and user-friendly interface. NordPass aims to simplify your digital life by securely storing and managing all your passwords, credit card details, and personal information, eliminating the need to remember countless complex combinations. Beyond just storing your credentials, NordPass offers robust security features. Utilizing advanced encryption algorithms, such as XCHACHA20, your sensitive data remains protected from prying eyes. This encryption ensures that even if a breach were to occur, your information would remain unreadable to unauthorized individuals. Think of it as locking your valuables in a vault with an unbreakable code. One of the standout features of NordPass is its cross-platform compatibility. Whether you're using Windows, macOS, iOS, Android, or even Linux, you can access your passwords seamlessly across all your devices. This synchronized access means you're never locked out of an account, regardless of where you are or what device you're using. Imagine the convenience of having all your logins available at your fingertips, anytime, anywhere. Furthermore, NordPass simplifies online form filling. Tired of manually entering your address and payment information every time you shop online? NordPass autofills these details for you, saving you valuable time and effort. This feature not only streamlines the checkout process but also minimizes the risk of errors when inputting sensitive data. In a world where data breaches are increasingly common, using a password manager like NordPass is more crucial than ever. Protecting your online identity and financial information is paramount, and NordPass provides the necessary tools to do just that. By consolidating all your passwords and securing them with advanced encryption, NordPass offers peace of mind in an increasingly complex digital landscape. So, head over to nordpass.com and explore how this powerful tool can enhance your online security.